Hello, everyone. Good evening. My name is Queen Olive. Welcome to this video. The title of this video is a comprehensive analysis of X3 and X4, part 1. Now, in this comprehensive analysis of X3 and X4 under Forsage, I am presenting my own personal account. This is about 11 days or so, about 11-12 days since I joined Forsage. Yes, and my earnings has become 303. All right, I've gotten just 11 persons under me, directly under me. 11, and there are 11 active members. All right, they also have their own line. They are also making their own progresses, and we are working here as a team. Okay, I want to review this platform. Please, this is comprehensive. Okay, please, if you are hearing me on the YouTube channel, please click on the subscription button and like my video, subscribe and share it, and turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you can have the notification right there at your doorsteps. If you are listening to me on Facebook, please like and share to your friends, loved ones. Come in and become a member. Please join me in this quest for wealth. Okay, don't just sit by the side. All right, come on. This is a good platform. There's no scamming here. You be paid directly into your wallet, into your Android wallet, and you can withdraw instantly. Then that is it. Then if you are watching me on the group chat, if you are not yet a member, please quickly join the team so that you can have a liberation from whatsoever is happening in Africa, in Nigeria. If you're hearing and you're listening from any African country, Ethiopia, Uganda, Cameroon, Ghana, anywhere, Kenya, anywhere in Africa, this video is for Africans, because we've been through a lot in the hands of the leaders. Okay, join me. Please, if you are in the group and you are a member, be glad that you are in the house. The only thing you have to do to come up on this kind of amount, because I'm heading to my 1,000 soon, is for you to put a little bit of effort and you get there. Welcome once again to a comprehensive analysis of this video. Now, after you fund your wallet, and you with the 706 Tron, 706 Tron will be inside your wallet, and you use your referral link. That means the person that invited you to this program, which will look like this. It will look like this, exactly like this. Okay, now when you copy it and you use it and you log on and you become a member, you will be given 2 accounts to work with, X3 and X4. All right, the 350. Remember, I told you are going to join with the 706. Why I say 706 is because the those 6 Tron will be taken out for a transaction fee before the money hit this place. Okay, 350 goes to your X3, while 350 goes to your X4. That means this place and this place will be open to you for your future transaction. Okay, now after that is done, what you're expected to do is to work and be in your own personal unique way, work on X3 and X4. Now let me explain what X3 is all about. X3 is all about your own personal referrals, your own individual referrals, your own personal referrals. And let me say something again. We have been taught a wrong way. Okay, in Nigeria we have been taught how to do doubling money. Just give your money and go and wait, it will double. Nothing like that. That is why we have been scammed since years ago until today. We are still being scammed till tomorrow we will be scammed, except you change from that conception of you want someone else to double money for you without you working. Okay, so in churches, there's no churches that doesn't have a member, and all those membership came into the church through people. Okay, people invite them. Go to the banks have members, people come there to bank. Even government, all the money that they are paying people is from taxes. Every government of any nation collect tax from their people. Okay, now, do you know that there's no bank that can function without people, without customers? There's no market that can function without customers. So you as individual, you cannot stand alone and become a forest. You need people, you need customers to join under you. All right, your loved ones, those loved ones, God forbid anything happen to you, they will come in hundreds to say, hey, yeah, they will be mourning. They should not come and mourn you when things happens to you. They should join this business, and you will make money and they will make money. So assuming you have people joining under you, like me, I have so far, I've got 11 people that have joined under me directly. When the first person comes under you, this is how X3 works. You receive 350 Tron. Second person comes, you receive 350 Tron. The third person comes, you are not going to receive money. It goes back to your upline to reopen this place again for you, to repurchase this place again. When the fourth person comes, you receive 350 Tron. The fifth person comes, you receive 350 Tron. The sixth person comes, you will not receive. It goes back to your upline to open up this place again. The seventh person comes, you receive. The eighth person comes, you receive. The ninth person comes, you will not receive. It goes again to open. So you can stay in this place and do what we call recycling over and over and over in a million times. Like as you can see, I have recycled my own 4 times. This is the 5th time I'm going to recycle under X3. It means that the number of people coming under me here, they keep recycling, and I keep collecting money, and you collect this money till infinity. All right, this money comes to you till infinity. All right, okay, that's how X3 works. X3 is your personal referrals, people that comes under you personally through your own effort, through your own works. Because here it is not pyramid, it's a matrix. That is why we have X4. Let's go to X4. How does X4 work? This is X4. One good thing about Forsage Tron is that you can earn money without having anybody under you. That is the work of X4. So let's go back. Assuming you did not have anybody here under X3, you are still going to have somebody under X4. Why and how? Because as your upline that brought you is work, people are coming under them. They will be arranged under you, and whoever is arranged under you, it signifies money. So you are going to receive money you've never worked. That is one good thing about Forsage Tron. It is not pyramid, it is not a Ponzi scheme, it is what we call matrix. It is what we are doing here is a crowdfunding. It's all about the crowd. So now the essence is that let every member of this team have something to eat. Because the world system does not care about the crowd, but the crowd care about themselves. Okay. Now X4. Remember, I told you, even if you have somebody under Forsage, so that don't be scared to join Forsage. Join Forsage and position yourself. Because even if you couldn't bring somebody, your upline is going to work, and you are going to be. In fact, this placement does not depend on your upline. We don't select who should receive. It is being placed under everybody based on first come and first serve. So this is how it works. Now under X4, assuming I did not bring anybody, then when my upline are coming in, people are coming in into the platform, is a teamwork. The first person comes here, I'll receive 350 Tron. No, I will not receive. Sorry. The first person comes here, I will not receive. This first one goes to the community. This second one also goes to the community, either your higher line or shade based on first come and first serve. But the third person that comes, you're going to receive free money, free 350 Tron. Second person that join, you're going to receive 350 tron. That is 700 tron. Remember, you joined this scheme with just 700 tron. So just 2 people, your money is back to you. The remaining one is going to be profit. Then the fifth person, you're going to receive money again. At this point, you're having Jara, okay? Then the 6th person, you're not going to receive. It goes back to your upline to reopen this place again for you. Now look at, I've done this 2 times. Yes, this is my 3rd time I'm going. That means whenever this place is open again, the computer can keep on placing people under you according to the way the system works. So now in Forsage Tron, it is a win-win thing. You're going to earn in level X3 and you're going to earn in X4. It's as simple as this. This is how X3 and X4 works, and this is why this money is this. You can imagine that this is how much I've earned under X3, my personal effort. This is how much I've earned under X4 from the teamwork that everybody has done. This one plus this one joined together gives me this one. All right, now I want to dive into this amount and all this amount. From here to here is what we call upgrade. And I've been telling my team members that here and here to this place is where money is. Money is not even at the sign up side or at this level 1. Any money that we receive, if you are receiving $80, $100, $30, don't be overexcited, because yet is not yet time. Yet is not yet time for you to be excited, because more money are coming. More money are coming your way, okay? Now let me tell you one thing again. See, when you are in level 1, you are expected to upgrade to level 2. Where do you upgrade from, and how do you upgrade? Is it that people will come under you? No. And let me say something. The 705 706 that you are going to use it, like this 10,000 something tron I have just received, is because I paid 706 tron to join. Can you imagine 706 minus 10,000 something? Can you imagine the profit I've made so far? So now in upgrading, you're not going to go anywhere and bring out money. You are still going to pick money from here, from your wallet. Is in your wallet, is in your phone, and you can withdraw it for your daily living and still remain. So now under here, you've got to pick 700 tron and upgrade. When you upgrade, what happens? The money goes to your upline. Always the upline, the person that brought you into a scheme. Then when you pay that, this place will be open for you to start receiving also. Before it was closed, but after you've paid, it will be open like my own was open. And I had received 700 tron here time 3. 3 people have given me 2,100 tron. You can imagine this kind of good business. Just with how much? 13,000 I paid to join. So when the first person came, no, they came from where? From here. So my only responsibility is to bring in people here. So it is from here they will want to upgrade also. After I've upgraded my own, they will also want to upgrade. So when one upgrade and comes here, I'll receive 700 tron. Another one upgrade and come, I'll receive 700 tron. The third person upgrade and come, I will not receive. It goes back to my upline. If there's anything you must do in this Forsage, is to try and have good downlines, because you're going to become a millionaire. You're going to make millions of naira. Do you know how many times? Forever, till infinity. Then assuming you start having people here, you can now upgrade like I did here. I upgraded to level 3. What happened after when I upgraded? That means I paid 1,004 to my upline, which is in US. I don't know who the guy is, but I used this button and I bought here, and the money went to US and the guy got. So I was able to receive donation of 1,004 from one of my downlines. Look at him here. He paid 1,400 to me. What kind of good business this would have been? There's no any other business that is as good as this. That at the comfort of your home, with your Android phone, and with a little amount of money, you can actually make millions. Do you know, if I calculate this morning, my first account is reading over $200 plus this are $500. I've gotten $500. If I add $500 again, that should be around almost 1 million. In how many days? Okay, now in X4 is the same thing. You have to upgrade, because as you collect money from here, I upgraded to level 2, and 6 people have paid me so far, and upgraded to level 4, 3 people. I'm waiting for these same people. You don't need new people to join you here. These same people are coming to upgrade for you, and that was why the money went up to this amount. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a well explained. On my second analysis video, I'm going to bring a different clip for you to truly understand how it works. But on this first clip, I'm using my platform to show you how X3 and X4 works. The beauty of matrix, the beauty of smart contract. Every money is in your wallet. Ladies and gentlemen, every money is in your hand for instant cash out, instant withdrawal. Don't ever allow any platform to come to Nigeria and dupe you again because of too much of English. Do you understand? They will dupe you with a lot of English. Here we are using TRX. What is TRX? Let's go and look for what is TRX. TRX is a cryptocurrency money. Before we were using Ethereum, but now because of high gas fee, we are using TRX. TRX is number 15 on coin market cap. Is about 8 cents, 2 cents right now, 2.8 cents right now. So it is cheap. So our aim is to use this and convert it into dollar, have a lot of dollars on us, and also to save Tron, because you will wake up one day and discover that Tron has become $10. Please join me. Let us make this money. Forget about the government, forget about the economy, forget about whatever is surrounding you. I want you to have a little bit of confidence in me. If you can impose a little bit of confidence of 13,000 on me, my number is 0803 700 4200. Call me. Let me give you a link to join so that you can become liberated from these shackles. Because I wake up every morning happy because I know at least $50, $100 will be dropping every day. Is that not sufficiency? While we are going on the road to purchase our car, build new houses, we are here living our life. I want to congratulate all the members. Pastor Joel, you are involved. I'm congratulating you for your success on this scheme. I want to congratulate someone like Pastor Bat, that you are also backing me up on this scheme. And I want to there's some ladies all over the eastern side. I want to congratulate Angela. I want to congratulate Prince Frances and Favor for their energy. I have Belos Sayat that just joined us from Gombe Axis. These guys have confidence. I want to congratulate Nathaniel Nat. Nat just got this message on Facebook and he has joined. So we are working together, and I want you people I want to thank you for believing in me. And we are working as a team, and God that made us will bring people to join us worldwide, nationwide, in all African countries. Let's go there. Let's make some money. Please, until my next video, which I will drop very soon, please study this, and most of the questions that you have been asking, they're all here. If you still don't understand, please, you can ask me question again on 0803 700 4200. Thank you for listening. All right, please share the video and click on the notification. If you are on YouTube, please subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be bringing you good reviews. Thank you.